Here, again, we're looking at the prophecy. If we've identified these entities correctly, this is saying that America is going to exercise. He's going to mimic himself to be very much like the first beast. And he's going to cause the whole earth to worship the first beast. The question is, how is he going to do that? Well, there's these elements involved, which we'll study at another time. Here it says he makes great wonders and fire come down from heaven. But you know, as the devil always do, it's going to be by method of deception. Okay? But notice here, after he uses these methods of deception by miracles, which he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth, notice here. Now I really want to hone in on this word here, that they should.
Listen to this part.
You know, when I read the word should, to me that word implies that it would be by vote from the people. In other words, it's going to be suggested by the powers that be. The people are going to receive the suggestion, and then they are going to make an image to the beast, which had the wound by a sword and did live. In other words, he's going to coax, deceive, and impress the people that they should make an image to the beast. Now, what is the beast? The beast, again, is the papacy. An image would be like a replica to the papacy. In other words, here's what I'm predicting.
And what was the papacy? The papacy was persecution. It was an institution of control and persecution.
Forgive me, let me not say that. That's incorrect to say. Here's what I believe the Bible is predicting. It's not me. I'm no prophet. I'm just trying to ascertain the truth of the Bible. What I'm trying to say is, I believe what the Bible is going to say is, the people are going to agree to a replica of the beast. Now, when it says an image, I don't believe that this is a physical statue. What I believe is they are going to agree to the powers that this entity will practice. He's going to exercise all the power of the first beast. How is he going to do that? I believe that the governmental style of America is going to reflect that of the papacy. That's what I believe this is trying to say. The governmental style of America is going to change so that they will be just like the first beast. And the people are going to be coaxed to agree with it. They're going to be deceived to agree with it. That's what I'm trying to say.
And that's when you have gang stalking.
Sorry.